12 days, that ginger absorbs the sugar syrup. Each day, the ginger in the individual vat gets darker. Now, once the 12th day comes along, the way we get the ginger out of the vat is via the machine in the second row on the right-hand side. Has the dome on top with the blue hose off to the right and the green light that's on at the moment. Now, that machine we manually manoeuvre around the room. The red hose goes into the vat, and it will, the blue hose, and it will suck 1,200 kilos of ginger and 2,500 litres of sugar syrup out. It then separates the two. The sugar syrup goes to make our ginger a fresher cordial, so it's not wasted. The ginger we can get rolled in sugar or chocolate, made into jams, toppings, syrups, purees, whatever the customer wants. We can also take the ginger straight out of the vat, put it into a 44-gallon drum, seal it up, send it to the customer Australia and worldwide. But basically, they do it as